Quite a lot number of people that are using Chrome are not aware of this kind of private browser that exists in Chrome browser, and I decided to show you all the private browser you can use right here in Chrome browser without any stress. Forget about Google Chrome Incognito. It is not fully private. If you want to browse privately, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can use some of these search engine private browsing 100% without any stress, without even access or leaving your Chrome browser right here. There is no need of you install several browser on your PC. You can just use Chrome browser right here and embedded some of this private browser and continue to your search without any stress. Let me show you how. Once you open up your Chrome browser right here, what you want to do here is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then scroll down all the way down, and then until you get to settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on search engine, then go ahead and click on change right here. So as at the time of making this video, currently there are about 3 powerful private browser you can use right now in Chrome search engine. One of them is DuckDuck browser, and the other one is Brave, and the last one here is Ecosia browser. So let's go ahead and see how we can use DuckDuck browser in Chrome. Go ahead and select DuckDuck and hit on set as default, boom, and then it's going to restart. Boom, you are here. Whatever you browse right here is 100% private because it is a DuckDuck private browser. It has changed completely from Google to DuckDuck. So you can as well customize. Click on customize right there and see different things. So you have some of your most recent view web in the sections right here. You can click on customize right here, and then this will allow you to customize based on what you want as far as this browser is concerned. So whatever you do here is full private. Let's go ahead and see how we can use the other browser. So let's go ahead and check on other browser you can use private right here in Chrome. Go back to search right here and then click on change right here. Now you can switch to Brave and click on set as default right here. In a few seconds, it takes you to the entire Brave browser search engine right here. So whatever you do right here, you are browsed privately. If I click on any of the search right here, just like so, and then you can as well click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. You can search for another thing right here. So right here, we can simply search for another website right here, hit enter, and you continue to browse privately, just like so. The very last one here is Ecosia. Go back to settings right here, click on change Ecosia, click on set as default, and within a few seconds, it's going to restart and change your browser to Ecosia. So if I click on new browser right here, new tab right here, and then you see I'm in entirely new browser privately right here. It's that simple. These are the powerful 3 private browser you can use right now in Chrome search engine. You can switch from one another and see which one is best for you. Let me know what you think about some of these browser in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.